To find the two-handed backhand grip, we're going to first assume that you're right-handed. And you're going to grip the tennis racket with your right hand so that your heel pad is resting on the first bevel of the tennis racket handle, the top, like you can see here. But your index knuckle is going to be one bevel over on the second bevel of the racket handle. So the heel pad's on bevel number 1, and the index knuckle is on bevel number 2. Now with your left hand, you're going to have your heel pad and index knuckle resting on the 7th bevel of the tennis racket handle. So if you were left-handed, this would be an Eastern forehand grip. And then what you're going to do, you're going to put both hands on the tennis racket handle. So the left hand is higher and the right hand is at the bottom of the handle, like you can see here. And this is the two-handed backhand grip. And the key, just generally to the two-handed backhand grip, is you want to hold the racket in a way that allows both arms to move smoothly throughout the entire shot. Oh.